So before we actually set up and use the powder check die on the progressive reloading press, what we're going to do is look at how to assemble the powder check die. So I've already got the lock ring installed on the die body, and what I'm going to do is take one of the indicating rods and put one of the feet on there. And we're then going to line up the rod with the main center bore hole in the die body there. We're then going to put the case guide in. This case guide is going to center the case perfectly each time the case goes up into the die. Now we can put the cap on this particular rod, and then put the indicating rod onto the die and screw that in, and then place our O-ring onto the indicating rod. We still have an extra foot depending on the diameter of the case that we're loading. So that's it for the assembly of the die, and now we're ready to set it up on the press. Just like with the other powder check systems that we've been looking at, we're going to use the Dillon XL650 5-station progressive reloading press, set up for 357 Magnum, to take a look at how to set up the RCBS powder checker die. Alright, so let's go ahead and install the RCBS powder checker die on the press. I'm going to start this going. I'm going to raise the ram to the top just to make sure that I don't contact the shell plate with our RCBS powder checker die. And really the height on this is not super critical. If when we place a charged case in this station we don't see the rod properly activated, we will just adjust that level. I'm going to move this ever so slightly so that you can see the indicator rod better there. And finger tight is most likely adequate in this particular case. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift up the O-ring there so you can see what's going on. We're going to charge the case, and then we're going to raise the ram. You can raise it a few times if we want, and we'll see this actuate based on the powder level. We're going to move the O-ring down so that it's aligned however you like it to be aligned visually. I like that setting right there. Now we're going to dump our powder. We're going to put it back through the charging station here. Charge another one, just validate that the level comes up right. And there we go. So now we have a visual reference each time a charged case goes through the press. And just like with Hornady powder cop system, you're going to need to be extra vigilant to check this each time, because if you don't check it, it's not going to help you out. So that's it. That's all there is to using the RCBS powder checker die. I hope that this video has been helpful for you. And of course you can come to ultimatereloader.com, where we've got a lot more information about this product and other products, including technical articles, free resources for download, all sorts of stuff happening on the blog and in other sections of the site. Thank you.